What I like most
Yeah.
when we win Danga, noma singadlalanga kahle kakhulu. It gives us hope ukuthi we still on the league because if
Yeah.
unga-check us number 4 now and most of the games esiwawinayo siwawina nge-impact yaka-coach AB. Ucoach AB every time abantu abasunyela ama-game ama-subs akhe uyangi-understand which
Yeah, yeah,
means
yeah,
ukuthi
yeah.
this person uyazi ukuthi when to put on subs. I remember we said Mbremi must start last pod bekhaya ngale yona. But that guy always has, I always tell you, uyangifrustrate each and every game because mina mengitshe ukuthi kumele aphumuze ama-chance abhala. But then he always has a plan in mind yangithola ntanga yokuthi uyacava ukuthi uyenzani and I think the team is having chemistry now. Even if we're not playing well, but you can see ukuthi this is a team and this is not just a team, it's a team that wants to win things. You understand? Coach AP Ntanga overall, I'm happy with the guy. I think in squad rotation sakhe si good. As much as I said I wanted the boys to start a game against Siwelele, I think he saw ukuthi Siwelele Siwelele Ntanga, that game was physical. That game was physical. Abantu bebagurashana wafaka amadoda ngathi aqinile. Ama-subs akhe I think are the ones which killed the game.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Coach
yeah.
AP Ntanga, I'll give him an 8.
Sure.
Why am I giving him an 8? Asidlalanga kahle first half. We can always say he's doing right things. But like Ntanga, if asidlali na grand first half, I think naye mele nje improve.